Anyway, welcome to another Rider Cam TV video, and today we've got some lights to fit from Colite. What lights have we got, Matt?
We have got, we believe, from Colite.
Well, they are from Colite.
Yeah,
they did send them to us.
F43 Pros, which comes in this little box, very small box. I think they're about 3-inch. What?
Nothing.
Looking at me like that for 3-inch lights. They come with these nice colours on them, covers on them. We're going to fit them to.
Oh, they're quite weighty, aren't they?
They're really weighty.
Yeah, look at that. Colite to light your day.
So I really like these lights.
I don't know why people put these orange things on.
Are they illegal in the UK?
I don't think they're strictly legal, are they?
I'm going to cut my fingers if I take those off. Anyway,
I can't get it off.
You get some in the box. You get some blank covers if you want to cover them up.
Yeah,
I don't know why you do that. But
then the light's not going to work, is it?
So it'll be very hard to see. Then you get a snake's wedding, which is the power system, all the wires to connect them up, fuse system.
And they got loads of nice little plugs.
And you get an on-off button, which will go on the handlebars.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're going to have a go at fitting it to this lovely RTP and see how we get on.
But within all that, you get loads of brackets.
Oh yeah.
Various sizes.
Oh, and also these.
Obligatory tie wraps.
They're good.
Okay. So we'll crack on and we'll start fitting it. Bike's in bits, mate.
No, we finished.
Oh, okay.
This is it finished.
Right, off we go then.
Well, we thought we'd show you what the lights were like. So zoom in on that, our really, really friendly, great cameraman, Paul. They are just awesome, aren't they?
They are really,
the brackets
really good
are really
lights.
Nice. We worked out that we had to hang them down because there's not an awful lot of tolerance in there to get the spanner in to do them up. But they are absolutely really well made, aren't they?
I love them. It's only taken us a week.
Well, therein lies the first issue. These come...
Issue?
These are really good. They come really well packaged, but the only thing you get to help you understand how to fit them is that.
And it doesn't tell you what they are.
And unfortunately, none of us are electricians.
Or fluent in Mandarin.
Fluent in... yeah.
Which makes it really difficult because there's an accessory wire, a ground, a live, and then there's 2 other wires.
One's a main beam and one's a flood.
Yeah, and we didn't know where to put them, so we've just used the accessory and the red and the black. And that works fine. So, other than that, but the brackets are really well made, aren't they?
Brackets are awesome.
Yeah, I wasn't involved in the bracketry, so you better come in close and have a look, because the brackets do look superb.
And these lights are really good quality. Now, if you know that over on our...
Little bit of bracket detail, Tobes. Come on, fully forged from aluminium.
Yeah. And over on the Rider
Aircraft
TV
grade
channel, Mark had a set of these, didn't you?
I had a set.
Well, you've had a set of round and square ones.
I've had round. They're absolutely brilliant lights, and they're, for what you get and the price you pay, as good as any other brand that's around at the moment.
They come with these funky orange clip covers, which are very odd. I don't know why people in this country want them, to be honest, but they are really well made, and you get a set of black ones that blanket out as well, just in case you want to turn the lights on and have no effect anywhere, because you can put these black ones on, so you can turn the lights on and not actually be able to.
I'm just bringing Graham back into the picture because he was trying to hide.
But functionality.
Successfully.
Functionality. So turn them on, Graham.
Okay.
Work off the ignition, obviously.
Now you get this really lovely orange light, even without the orange.
Do you?
Thing on there, yeah. We
Is
thought
that
it was the orange.
Orange without the cover?
Yeah.
Wow. Unless we've wired them up wrong.
Well, we've wired them up how we've wired them up. And then you've got a funky button up here, Paul.
I like that.
So we've got a funky little button here. It's a 2-way rocker switch, so you can change the different settings of what happens on the light. But you can also
And you have a blue light,
strobe and
power
stuff.
light in the middle. There's all sorts.
Yeah.
Does amazing
So we're
things.
feature rich already, because not only do we get white, which you'll see in a minute, but we've got orange and blue.
What colour?
Orange. Orange.
Is that
Look, orange.
the same as orange?
How funky cool is that? Moving on.
So press some buttons, show us what's happening.
Okay.
So this is the main button, like the main light button.
And that's yellow.
Yeah. So what's that do? Is that all 4?
That's all 4 on.
And then you can flick it to white.
That is absolutely phenomenal.
And then white and orange.
White and yellow.
And then back to yellow and then white. And that all that's cycles through the
Good Lord, they're amazing.
things. But get this, so if you are prone to having fits or anything like that from flashing lights, warning there are going to be flashing lights. So if you press and hold like the lightning symbol on here, they start flashing. But then if you press and hold them again, they flash in a different way. Now I'm not sure why you would have them on your bike because they're not exactly legal.
In the UK.
In the UK, but they do look kind of funky, don't they?
Yeah.
And then back to normal. How cool is that?
I really like them. And obviously the bottom ones are the BMW lights that come with the fitted with the bike to the bike anyway. We haven't done those. What do you think, Graham?
I'm pretty damn impressed because all that functionality from 2 buttons. Although I am thinking I might get a little bit confused as I'm riding along and start flashing at a policeman as he's coming the other way. But
Well, keep,
I might do a training session actually on how to use my new buttons.
and sleep.
Yeah, you could.
When you wake up, you won't remember this conversation.
But relatively easy to fit. The only problem is we tried it in the Hex Easy Can. But with the Hex Easy Can, either it wasn't giving it enough power or recognising it in the right way. It was showing in the programme, but we couldn't get it to work as it was meant to work, so we had to stick with
We
all
tried
that
it as an
wiring.
auxiliary, we tried it as lights, and it just didn't seem
Yeah.
to do it, did it?
But they're really well made. A couple of things that we thought that they could improve on is the connection. So the light has a wire that comes out. So if you go down to one of them, Paul, down to this one here, right in there, that's the connector, and it's not very far away from the light. So you've got to try and hide it, and it's quite a big thing to hide. Other than that,
So what you're saying, you would have liked to send a little bit more
More of a tail.
cable tail on the back of the light so
Yeah.
that you could get the connector hidden.
but imagine these going. I mean, in Spain they'll stop you for extra lights, won't they? But I don't know about other countries. but
Italy, you're not allowed.
imagine going through the forest with those, especially if you did that. You could even go woo at the same time.
Now, one thing we did, we've mentioned the electrical diagram that came with it, and there was a QR code on the side of the
Oh,
box.
it took us to the Google search for that, didn't it?
Yeah, so Cola, if you're going to do this, please put a manual in or put some link that will give us a manual because it was really complicated for us to suss it out. But apart from that, the lights are phenomenal.
They are, and they'll last ages, and they're really, really well made.
And they're so good. Graham has been mesmerised by our little button. Look, he doesn't know what he's doing, but he's having a great time.
I was just thinking if I rode
Don't.
along just pressing the button like that, could be quite entertaining for other road users.
It could be. Now you can decide which colour lights you want on any particular
3
day.
colours of lights. Who has that?
I was thinking if I got some external speakers, I could play Disco Duck while I'm playing with the...
Disco. Anyway,
What?
we think they're really good, don't we?
We like them. Cheers, Ken.
Yeah, and Matthew, thanks very much.
And we'd like to see you again at our new Ridercam TV Tours channel. And come and have a look at our website to see what tours you might fancy doing. There's some cracking tours coming up next year.
Can someone help me put the plastic cover back on?
And Graham can't work out how a plastic cover goes back on a square light.
But never fear, even though this is our perhaps first review on Ridercam TV Tours, we do our tours much, much more professionally, don't we?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So come and join us.